In this video, I'll guide you through how to edit the master slide in PowerPoint. If you've ever found yourself wanting to make consistent changes across your entire presentation, mastering the slide master is the way to go. So, let's dive in and make your PowerPoint experience a lot smoother. First things first, we need to access the slide master view. Start by clicking on the View tab located on the top ribbon of your PowerPoint interface. Once you're in the View tab, look for the Master Views group and then click on Slide Master. This will take you to a new view where you can see the slide layouts that make up your presentation's template. Now, let's talk about the parent master. This is the topmost slide you see in the left-hand thumbnail panel. It's often referred to as Slide 1. Clicking on this slide allows you to make global edits that affect all the slides in your deck. Think of it as the blueprint for your presentation. For instance, if you decide to add a company logo, change the font style, or set a background color on this parent master slide, those changes will automatically apply to every slide, ensuring uniformity throughout your presentation. This is especially handy if you're working with a large deck and want to maintain consistency without editing each slide one by one. However, there might be times when you want to make changes to specific types of slides without affecting the entire presentation. This is where the child layouts come into play. These are the smaller, nested slides you see listed below the parent master. Each one corresponds to a specific layout, like the title slide or the two-column content slide. By clicking on one of these, you can make layout-specific edits. For example, if you only want to change the font size on your title slides but leave the rest of the slides unchanged, you'd select the title slide layout and make your adjustments there. Once you've made all your desired edits, it's time to save your changes and exit the slide master view. Simply click the Close Master View button, usually found on the right side of the toolbar. PowerPoint will automatically save your changes, applying them to your entire presentation or just the specific slides you edited, depending on what you chose to modify. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can efficiently edit the master slide in PowerPoint, making your presentations not only consistent, but also more professional looking. Whether you're preparing for a big meeting, a lecture, or a personal project, mastering this feature will undoubtedly save you time and effort in the long run. Thanks for watching, and happy presenting.